I get to understand, say, I mean, I come for bash nobody, but me, I got talk my truth. Curly lost her job. My life, me have to attend to something for my son the other day. Me never finish talk on it and give me opinion. Let me tell you something. When we try to box bread out of people's mouth and feel like, say, we go both ways, because Curly is to be blamed too. God is watching you, and people, things will get, it's past social media, but anyway. But yeah, when me I go say no, Curly, when you have a job, no, you have a responsibility. And you have to do your job. It doesn't matter whether it's a patient, you have a responsibility when you have a job. When that you have to respond, because I got a piece of clip where the patient asked for something and you have to you have to compromise, and that's your job to take care of that patient. So was a bit concerned when we see from time to time Curly will sit down on a live 3, 4 or 5 hours and ranting and chanting and thinking that the patient don't understand and don't check. But so you are making money on the job. Number two, it did happen already. You're there, you work, leave the if you are a blogger and you feel like you have to blog, then try to get a work where it's a part-time. Don't just take a job and then you use the place convenient, because I said then it will happen and it only damage you, because it's gonna make you where you can't keep a job. It happened the other day with the Italian man. Now it come with this Jew person, and it's going around and around and around and around and around. It doesn't look good. And it's not for nothing bad, because I'm not here to tear you down, because whosoever, if them get in contact with your workplace, but at the same time, then you have to know, so because it's vice versa. Anything can happen to that patient within that time where you sit down on the live. Anything can happen to that patient, and you're getting paid to take care of the patient. You're not getting paid to just stay in the house with the patient and do live. And the thing is, when you don't want to accept your fault and try to work on them, it only lead you more down into danger. It only lead you more down into danger. It only lead you more down into danger. You have to try to work on that, work on it. Coming out, sitting down, cursing, and why I really have to, I can't believe say you have every day. But I don't know. I hope for 2025, we say, because I say, it not really look good with every minute you have a day at a job, and say, that's where you need to say. He say, I fight, nothing out here not benefit you. Nothing out here not benefiting you. You're only fooling these people pocket, I tell you already, from last year. And you come again and you're still not learning. You're still not learning. You keep learning the hard way and not learning. Anyway, talk like a charity here. Because I say, you see me? Now, a new year now, me I take it easy. But me I go talk. I go on talk. You're too young, for gallon. Too early for the dirty girl fuck. I don't know why when she think the young lady was supposedly, who remember the young lady with the eye, cause maybe somehow no busy on not know. The young lady with they were Curly was helping, was supposed to reimburse. The money was when she was gonna reimburse the Pastor Sean the money. Yeah, she was to get the money, and it was said that the lady only get must say $123 or so. They said, people, me know today the second. Please, may I ask you, bear in mind, I think they said today at Thursday. When it touched the Thursday, I might mix up with the days of the date, I know. Me say, hi, which day? And one of them day, one of them days that were gone. But you have, me want left the day out tight, because I don't want to make a mistake. Me hear say, and get clipping on my phone say, I remember some money. Me did leave it off from the from me was a $500. Me never bother keep check on it. Because even though I don't like panty, still not like panty. Me, I'm a person like this, but when I want the lady to get the help with all this controversy, but me we make things, cause you know everything we are got done pan or something, because I say at the end of the day me always talk. And the recipient them feel it, even though them feel it in most ways. But I always say, as something when me say, I rather for know say, even though I am not a fan of her, I rather for know, I mean, no, I'm not going to say 13 attack bull, but no. We know say Silone diabetic, right? I remember me, but just that is me. I rather for know say me take your money and send it go down at the shop and take your money and make Silone get medical. Me know say she diabetic. As much as I'm not a fan of her, me will quicker for help she than anybody else. I will quicker for help her than help anybody. Because I know say regardless of her behavior, of her character, she need it, and the money can go somewhere where she will get the food to eat. The money can go somewhere. Now, I'm going to say this. When people take up these people on social media for help, first of all, them do it for their content. Number two, them a benefit from it. One and two of them will definitely not benefit, but some of them they really benefit from it. It established them in some way for their monetary gain. But when these people come to you, if somebody come to you for like a food, you are going to make them get, because if them want to come, I'm going to give you a joke. But you won't believe it or not. Last night, I come from work in the evening, and a guy about 18-20 asked me if I can help him forget a bread. And you know what family I say? I said, but I don't know money. I say, no, and I say again. I know the guy went to buy that bread. I say to myself, say, him come out and him tell me, thanks. I wanted to ask him, but I said, also the man the guy want him bread and something. And he might tell me, thanks, auntie. I said to him, say, look, one go eat. And a lady that me know come up and say and ask her, she asked me, say, if it was my son, I said to her, no. So I was saying to her that, and luckily I passed here to walk this way, because him asked, she was saying that she can understand and something. And I said to her, so that say, say, When me look, cause I say me no want to go take my money and go buy no marijuana, you know, and sick now. Me say, I lucky thing, so me never judge him. It was a very lucky thing. Cause then after that, it's like a big enough lady could be in grandmother. Maybe the lady could only buy one bread for fear. So maybe I beg, the two of them was begging and she get it. And the two of them was sitting down and they were enjoying them bread like a picnic. They all them enjoy that hot dog like a picnic. And you know, me say to myself, say, thank God me could I did able, cause sometimes I can't give it. I was able to give him. Now, in that case, you're not gonna stand up and question somebody when somebody asks you for food. But certain things, these people needs to be screened, and I'm not gonna judge the young lady from where she come from. These people need to be screened. But what I'm gonna say now, when you feel like you can do something better than somebody. Cause this young lady was on Curly's platform, and I'm not attacking my truth. She was on Curly's platform, and when people feel like say them can go, kite some money to the some eye where anybody can know when me not have them kids father used to tell me say him know when time me not have money cause that's the only time him see my purse. No, that story, that's bull. But on the other hand, you want to say, as me go say, the young lady did go about her business when she and Curly time. Panty went and dig up where the come here, so the young lady must have make some comment and go dig up and go find the lady. But on the other hand, make we look on the truth and talk the truth here. I don't know what you were competing with because they say Maya house don't finish yet. Maya house don't finish yet. The way the shame bite them over the people. Cause him did ready me here so that him ready to carry the woman come and why you record the woman, this is what you call humiliation. The way the woman come, the way they shame over there, you know. The way they shame over there. Then tell him say for let her go cause like him did ready for fling her in the turkey, the fling her in the over for the New Year's, you know. And it then tell her say because they say then shame them shame. Well let me tell you this, I'm not supporting, me not support thieving, me not support that because I say these women work very, very hard. When you are in a small island, whether you're overseas, whether small island, big foreign, worse when you have to send money back home, you have to make those bills reach. It is hard. This is why I say when somebody give you something, take it as a blessing and don't just take it for joy, not take it because you're good looking at it, because I say it hard. It is hard, very hard. The blessing when me have in another house here, me not have to pay a late fee. This is the very, very, and I hope my landlord keep it so this year. May God bless her. I do not have to pay late fee. Run I all house, yes, say yes. That's the blessing where I have, but me still now make it reach 2 months because if 1 month hard, 2 months is going to be harder. And me no wanna do when I come, me no wanna do what, me no want a problem. Me no want in a problem. Me no want get something for rent and can't get it for rent because care was so small. And better yet now them a take your fling your on Facebook. So the bottom line is this for show you. This to show you I know everybody can help. I mean, not bash a lady because the lady never do anything because they say him go. But there and then again, we have a lot of questions. We have questions. First of all, money did go down. Yes, money did go down and this and that and optician and fecal because wasn't it when the lady was shit, the lady supposed to did have her optician already, and one woman did call in and say she want to go she want the lady to go down to Phoenix and the lady must did have her paper already. Anytime you say too much mix up and too much, so my granny that say um quick soup always come out salt. Quick soup always come out salt. But guess what? As disable, as dishonest as the lady is, are supposed to be, me not blame the lady. Me not blame the lady. That money should go towards Maya's house. Maya want her house, and if Maya did say she got to take her 3 point, why Maya house do one thing at a time? Do one thing at a time. The lady should have taken more. I am not sorry for nobody because I say it was not willing to help the lady from the lady heart. It was to expose and overthrow Curly. Maybe that's the thing because Curly is not a person. I mean, not take up for Curly night because Curly to never did do a good job with the lady. Maybe those are the red flag where Curly did see and draw out. Maybe those are the red flags where Curly did say and draw out, but you feel like say and which part. But that's what the people that did say leave her because young lady, people have to work hard for their money. People have to work hard for their money, and if your sight not good already at such a young age, you better be careful what you do. You better be careful, and I'm not gonna talk about from the ghetto because I'm from the ghetto. But when you have no moral and no principle, that not have nothing to do with it. I am from the ghetto, born and growing at Kingston 13, but certain things I am not doing and certain things I will not do. So it's not about the woman coming from downtown or the woman coming because I hear somebody about this. It doesn't have nothing to do. You could have come from upper Red Hills and you not have no morals and no dignity, and no morals and no dignity you don't have. And it's the truth. Uno always take up charity case and uno cannot. And just a run against and uno cannot help. Because I'm gonna say it again. When me say it to one blogger, hungry people cannot be do charity. Hungry people cannot do charity. People that come out and degrade and drag people down in the mud. Because let me tell you something. People when I have nothing and feel like, because I'm going to tell you something. Once you say them not have anything, and you see them come out and a brag and a boast and a go on like them have, that for sure is them want the on one standard. Them want the on one standard and them now go want nobody past them. That's the reality. When me hear Panty say what they say have houses and this and that and that and comfort, then that's in his mind. That is in his mind because the women want a finished house him have. To when me know I want a finished house in have a bill of Jamaica. We can't done. And when him go sit down and say then if you have houses, this is what me think, you know. If you have houses, and when you have houses, sell one and help, and you like to help people, sell one and help them. That's how that's hey. Let me tell you something, man. I don't know what to think. I want to come out and walk up on the mouth and talk. Then if me have houses and me want to help people so much, I would sell one and help people. I wouldn't be out here digging down in people's pocket. And then these are the things where people don't understand and people don't see and people don't realize. There is always the red flag there. How me I go take up my $50 and go get somebody where so them I go run charity where so them have millions and them have houses for buy somebody little grocery? No, I'm not doing it. Well, if you're going to build a house or you're going to send back somebody at school or a very big operation bill, but now I'm going to expect that you're going to go in your pocket. But look at grocery. One fridge. When you have millions and me not have it. Somebody want one fridge. You know, son, go buy one freezer, get somebody. And you have millions and you have houses. Make it make sense. Because I'm not going to expect if you have houses, you have to take up for your money and build a house and give somebody. We can come on board. But if you have your money and somebody come and want a little grocery, my money not supposed to unite. You supposed to, because at the end of the day is you want to do charity. At the end of the day is you want to do charity. Another thing again when me ask, like that lady was over there, her voice was on the, why can't that money what used on the platform go towards the person? Wanna take up these people. So why can't those people wanna care on a platform that money wanna generate to make how much we make the thousand make on a platform bill up? Why wanna not go up on it and not see that earning? Why wanna not give the person that money? Cause when the lady did over there was a big show over there. All everybody run go over there. So why that money we generate cannot be donated? Couldn't be donated to the people them? Why that money got to in the pocket? Make it donate to them, no, them buy like a grocery with it. Anyway, I don't know for that now. My little friend Tina. My little friend Tina, Happy New Year. I can see that you was busy, you're going for daddy. I'm going to get daddy sound close. People, me tell you now where I go on, because I have to keep on the update. I have to keep on the update to do I go on with Tina. Tina, I can see that the cake season of your year, you went back, you got to Miss D yesterday about Miss D and bed and what have you not, and you're going on. Tina, let me tell you something, you could have gone and then still a sell cake, Anyway, people, I wouldn't may talk to. If I ever know which name Chin I watch me underneath over here, you see, she get a big black. And I must tell you this. And I mean I call her name for no harm. God I say, I say I not go in no you know what things me tick off things, I not left Tina, I not left panty. Me tick off things off my list. And I not say it with nobody, me I make sure it talk. Yes, me I talk, me I share it with you know. You know say me did black, me tell you say me did black Audrey kitchen and vlog when me hear say she did over there. Cause me never did want to go over there. But anyhow, I sat there. I think I sat them was cute. Somebody sent me one live and I go up on one platform and the person that play her live and she a cuss out my nastiness. You know, so me posting about the notification them. Me see where she follow me now from Audrey Audrey, let me tell you something, sis. I'm going to tell you this officially. I don't have nothing against you. I wish you joy and happiness. I mean, you get all your views. I'm going to tell you how to run your platform. You're the owner for your platform. You're responsible for it. May God bless you. May I tell you from the bottom of my heart, I wish you nothing. I wish you nothing but prosperity, joy, and happiness 2025. But there's one thing me can tell you, don't come back over here. I don't come back over here. You know why? I did not do you anything. I have no hard feelings against you. The only thing I asked was, why would you say you send somebody a message and not only that person you talk, but yet still you go to Gracie and you feel if you come out and you drag me down the line. Let me tell you something, it's the second time and it won't happen again. I wish you never follow me. I wish you never follow me. I have no hard feelings against you. I did say I'm not gonna, if I've never see you follow me, say I'm not care you. And you will never hear I mention your name. You will never hear I do anything. I have no hard feelings against you because in all my life, I never know, how much when you came to me in the morning, when you came to me, and you said to me, say, you beg how much people for share you out. Nobody. You know where a lady called me the other day and tell me, I then sit me and make her do not even get a lady tell me personally, say she not gonna send me $100 Christmas and she not send me. You know why? Woman say when he sit down and look, I see me, but me I take up my page. The woman said 13 if I even want $100 a month. And say she now work her money. Cause at 12 hours she work 6 days a week. And take it up and give me. And say these are the things because me out here play like me a big shot. So the one them can afford it. Nah do it. And me take up people but me a help and all I look help for people. These are the things make people draw from me and I'd still never worry. Because I say God will provide. 13, you take up yourself and look help for people so you don't want no help then. And when I look and see here, we go over the live and hear how you done me over the Audrey, me I ask you. And follow me back. You say me if you block you from over YouTube, me I beg you. And follow me back. Me no and not against you, me no but me now go take a second time now. Me now go take your disrespect. You will never hear me mention about you. Cause me say but I true me sister you follow me on the page, the big notification Audrey shall follow you. Me no want you follow me. Audrey me no short Audrey, me no short to follow. Me no need your sister. Just stay out of my corner for me and you stay out. Turn in your lane and me turn over in your big rich money lane, your cute lane, and me turn over in my hungry, sore foot, black and ugly lane. Make peace reign. Stay where you're there and make me stay where me there. Me not have no hard feelings against you. You should never take the time if you come follow my page in a audition, this is one you can say a Crystal do it. Because you me see the big notification audition follow you. No, me no wanna follow from your sister. None. Me say me never do carry you. You are one of them when me tick off of my list. Okay, when me see happen out here, you are one of them because they say you are very to me, you are very ungrateful and you are very disrespectful. And it's not going to happen again because I don't say me come out here and it curse you. Me never curse you. Me that try to avoid this. And that hurt me. And that hurt me. Me did not try to avoid this bangarang here with me and you. Because Audrey, so help me God. So help me God, if me come out here and argue with you, it's not gonna nice. But maybe the bigger person, because if I did for come out here for you, it never did I go nice. But me say a wickedness and a sin. So no make we go down that road there. Stay your road, you disrespect me. Nasty me up and dog me up 2 times, but you nasty up yourself. And not only that, you tell lie. The lie where you tell lie pa me. You tell lie pa Sandra. I me have the vice note or me say me have it you know. Me da go fling you out you know. And me holy. When you say you say you never beg Sandra no sneakers or something, and me have it right. Me have it make her ready for fling it out. But guess what? We now go in at that. Just avoid my page and just avoid me. Avoid my page and avoid me because I am avoiding you. If me never did not avoid you, what do you want time I go over park and me hear say you cuss me 2 times, you know. Me hear say you cuss me and me hear one part pan one blogging page one day and sat the other one when the person tell me I'm go over on the page where the person that stream your live and I cuss out your nastiness. Me say you know what? And now in an argument here I go done. Now carry over Audrey in 2025. But me tell you something say. What you do to me, you do it already. Me bigger than that. Me grow past that because you don't do me anything. You don't do me anything because when you did put out Sandra sitting and I say you should have did send back Sandra money before Sandra call me same time and tell me 13 why you do that, don't do that, she don't want back the money. She give you the money with that good that, she give you the money. So now come over here, come follow me no page. You can't come back. You can never get another support from me. You can never get another support from me. Stay where you're there, I'm stay where me there. You don't need me no need you. You're there on social media before me. Me no business with you, you no business with me. Me no business where you say and up on your platform. Me no business where you say and up on your platform. We don't know each other. You now come back over here. Me no want no support, me no want no likes, me no want no share, me no want no views from you because you not gonna get for me. You not gonna get for me. You can't get for me. You cannot get for me. Trust me, you can't get for me views. Anyway, we're done with that now. Good God, Miss Tina. Make we go to Miss Tina. As you can see, Tina didn't have a very festive Christmas, you know. But she got to take up her father. People, may I wait first. Because a new year can't go no too much tour and New Year's, you know. We have to enjoy. We could enjoy the New Year. It's still the breeze, you know, it's still raining. And the breeze last night, the chilly, real Christmas breeze. One lady said January time, Christmas breeze blow. Real Christmas breeze last night. So chilly. I said, no Tina want, you see, you take me advice, you see. But on my advice, Tina taking up people. Any day only hear me ball out for the sore foot of Tina kick me night, you hear? Because I not left her out of Tina house. Me not left her out of Tina house. Me say, people, all you know say Tina they galang there, you know. Tina cross and miserable, but me have some question for you, Tina. It look like say Tina want go take out in father out of the arms house for she, but Casely not going to have any of that. For she forget the money for help and look and pay rent. Then he want go Jamaica people a whole heap of things. Cause he say, me know one lady we go down and get it. You see, twin father born Jamaican. You know say look like say. Remember say first time, they never did have law where you have to go sign out of Jamaica, so you have a lot of people that were there still have. See, look like say Tina want go Jamaica, go fraud up pension, both him father, both him a go do business. Or him father go have one little piece of land down there. Or one house, cause you know, so then all something him father have down there when he want run, go thief, you know. Before the rest of him brother and his sister them. Tina them are gonna lock you up, my words. Anyway, now people, tell you know where I go on over there, so no know say. She no pay Mr. Rampa so hard in rent. And chin tap while up the man name, cause the man a ram no puss no hard. You hear tap it. So she want Mr. Rampa sword in rent. Mr. Rampa sword now. Never know the tricks and the turn and the sin thing. And he used to take care of Mr. Rampa sword. Mother is a whole heap of things that go along over the people. So Rampa sword no want him place. And Tina they look place, but Rampa sword want his 7-month rent. Cause Rampa sword but Rampa sword want him money, cause I say Rampa sword have to pay a liar. Cause Rampa sword a big, Rampa sword work a liar work for Rampa sword. So Rampa sword want him money for help pay, because as you know say them a Guyanese. And certain thing me can't put out on social media because I say the man got college and want me I go talk if you not go understand parable, because I say me no want this thing be where the man have him job and the man have to keep a certain things. You understand? You understand? So you have to keep. So when you hear me start to talk in a parable, no keep it 2 and 2. But anyway, he might go come out of Mr. Rampa sword yard, because I say when she get the chance when if you look after and it for go on, but poor Rampa sword never know say woman and get when them things say them mother sit down and went and then got in and not doing no good job. So now he suck out Miss Veronica blood. She a gonna want her father. I go take up and I go out him, I go buy clothes for father. Your father Christmas clothes should have did buy long time. That's nasty and that dirty, your workless. So guess what now? You remember when me did talk out, yeah? Me like when I take me advice, him I go know if we go get the father money. She a go know if we go get the father money. And if you go get the father out of the nursing home, but you want bigger space. You have to go pay rent, and I don't know if I move for name, I go in at the credit there, because I say, it look like I pour all money one go take out and go rent or go get government house for the man, but something is going on over there. And say she is the man carer. Something her last chance depend know, that's why she's so miserable. If you know say Tina drive, you better move and get out the way, people. Tina is well miserable over there. I pay crying and I pay thing there. And I say she blame everybody out here for her downfall. Everybody she blaming. She blaming everybody. She not happy here because I said judgment is taking her over there. Judgment, people, when me tell you no judgment, me mean judgment, serious judgment. 2025 not opening up good with Tina at all. It don't open up good with her, because I say Mr. Rampassad is very serious and him not joking with her anymore. Remember the mother not there no more. 7 months went when you hear me talk about him a look pace up it fling Mr. Rampaswad, but Mr. Rampaswad I deal with it lawfully. And in America, you know, no because say as much as she a tenant she have certain rights. As much as she a squatters, yes, so Mr. Rampaswada deal with her lawfully and she a try beat the time. She a try see she can get her father out of the house to get government housing. And that she a try look. But let me tell you something, Tina, now I'm gonna work here. The most thing, first of all, the worst mistake where you make, and if you go take your father and fling him in the arms house. Because in there they already and him a get care. So that's so I'm social when the government housing come up 10 to 1, the government have to go help him and something also. And you and CJ, so them have to go consider something and Tina, let me tell you something. You can't live in a project, cause then the Yankee young girl they will broke your ass. You cannot live into project and sit down pan live and a cuss and a galang bad and sit and a disturb people and a tamp up floor and a go on and a disturb people. Them will call house management pan and you put off come out. Make him man turn in your arms house and in there you put him already. Make him man don't use the man. You love use people too much so you did take up Miss Vernica and care Miss Vernica go scam. Make poor Miss Vernica sit down there when Miss Vernica watching news and Miss Vernica realize you don't have the PP. You wait till when time it I know me not tell Mr. Rampas what that yet you know. Me not tell Mr. Rampas what that yet because me I save that for the last. Me not tell Mr. Rampas what you carry mama got teeth yet you know Tina. Me not tell the man that because the man don't sound like he can take that. And me not come. Me not tell Mr. Rampas what yet you carry mother got teeth. How? Me not talk that yet. And it been a talk but me go talk it before you remove and he can't find me again. Me I go tell him, cause like how me know where I go now, me I go wait till about end of January so me take him and sit down cause you go fight the man to stay in him house. You are go fight him so you will have enough time. But me not tell me I go call Mr. Rampaswad and sit him down and talk to him one day ask him to when we can have a talk and tell him about the mother where you take up his mother cause him not hear that part yet. Me not be never tell him that part yet cause my sister the poor man brains can't take it. The man brains can't take it. Me just do one thing get you out of the house. Me just do one thing get you out. That's all me did want but now me have to go make him know now say you make him mother because I say and you make the poor woman fret and at that you do you like to use people to get what you want like or you have the people in out you take set from the people in. You Tina, you boy you go move, you're not moving. Rampaswad give you notice in 700. Cause you know the man house and not pay no rent you too out harder. So me know where I go on, you know, people can't talk too much, everything, can't talk. No wonder you remember you come out here and say, who forget help and sit now you need pay your rent. Me I go look for pay for me too. Me I go look for pay for me, and you know me get for me I go look for pay for me because me can't make me. And then more 700 me I go faint. Any more 700 me not pay no more. Me not pay no more. 700 so much money for give people 7 times 1600 how much money I will heap of money that's not Tina. And the man have to pay more than that to pay a liar but them you have to go pay it back. Me don't know how you go manage. You want the young lady who rent the place from Casey. You call Casey business. People are whole heap of bangarang and galang over there now. All Casey business so mash up. All I want to take law and New York and COVID and feel like say you can take set pan people when time people are strange. I want your next landlord from the first of the month come and somebody will come beat down your door and tell us you have to pay your to walk cliff. New Year all year you sit down and cuss and talk about your baker you don't pay your rent. Everybody else where you take set pan out you pay their rent. Everybody else where you take set pan out you pay their rent because I come with for my store foot all when me have to beg for make you up me pay it. Me not want none out of order. But you go look place and you want to take your father, you have to do it. Cause of your father money you want to take now for parents or something. But me, I would advise them only because of you and your father. But I would advise them because the same when you don't love parent, you don't love parent because Tina. Based upon them, is something when Mr. Rampas want to learn about you. It's a little while, it's a pattern, you know, love parent.